The 12.0 pack is definitely nothing that we've ever seen as far as power and runtime goes. It was like sort of a wow factor. Excellent power.
The 12.0 battery gives a tool plenty of power throughout the whole day.
It runs cool, has lots of torque. The charge lasts for a long time. We're very happy with it.
I don't see any overheating issues with the 12 amp hour battery. It's excellent.
Nobody else has anything comparable with all the amount of power, the runtime.
The 12.0 battery, we can run all day on our 8-hour shift, no problem. No slowdown on thing, no having to switch the batteries. I have full power all day long until the bitter end.
Runtime is never really an issue anymore. We get a full day at least out of that.
Yeah, I was impressed with the 12.0 battery. Charges quick, lasts a long time, and kept the power.
It changed the way we work big time. The efficiency, productivity of everything, day in, day out operation.
It's very important to have the new 12.0 batteries when you're running heavy-duty tools, doing heavy-duty things.